give it a couple seconds. I'll give it a couple more seconds. Boots on the ground, putting it down. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Stock Scoop. I'm Mickey Dee. It's a wonderful, wonderful day. Uh, Happy holiday season to all of you. Our baby knockouts are doing very, very well, ladies and gentlemen. In the words of the late Stuart Scott from ESPN Sports Radio, our baby knockouts are like butter, man, because they're on a roll right now. Congratulations to all of you. They are doing very, very well. We're going to talk about the three, right from the book. I'm not hiding this, as we're writing the book, that we're going to carry on to 2026. We're going to roll right through, ladies and gentlemen. Now, I've given you, if you've seen the uranium stocks that we're going to roll with in 2026. Now I'm going to give you some gold, a couple gold and silver stocks. I'll be giving them out little by little that we'll be rolling with in 2026. Of course, in the Baby Knockout newsletter, I'll be putting everything in there. And the Baby Knockout newsletter is out right now. So make sure you read your copy, ladies and gentlemen. There's a lot of good information in there. It's packed. We've got mainly with the gold and silver, because the gold and silver is really, really high. And really, really high. Uh, Many of you this past year, I know you've had life-altering gains, in a lot of these stocks. They've gone up some as much as 1,000% and stuff. So we called it, we walked it, and it's there, ladies and gentlemen. So I remember in these three particular stocks that I'm going to show you right now. In 2022, I think one was maybe 56 cents. The other one was 48 cents. Then the other one was like 69 cents. They were there for the taking, ladies and gentlemen, and we took advantage of it when gold was 1,700 in 2022, and when silver was $18 an ounce. So without further ado, let's go ahead and make sure you hit like, share, and let me show you guys. Do 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 do. You like that, huh? Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Stock Scoop. I'm Mickey Dee, your host. Um, all these stocks, these three stocks that we're going to talk about here, are taken from this book that was written 5 years ago, 2020. But in 20, as you guys know, it's better to be early than to be late. And it's better to roll with somebody that's been through these bull markets before. Now, that doesn't make me an expert or anything. It just makes me an experienced old guy that's done this before. Okay? So I take a look at these companies and I look at them a little bit different than you may look at them today. But either way, it's just been fairly successful. But let's take a look, ladies and gentlemen. Let's take a look. We'll take a look at which one do we want to take a look at first? Whichever one comes up, that's the one we'll take a look at. Let's take a look at charts are failing me. The charts are failing me, but I'm gonna take a look at it anyways. Real quick, ladies and gentlemen. The first stock I wanted to show you was Avino Silver and Gold. Now it was in the 50 cents area there for a long, long time. We find it today at $5.87. It's done exceptionally well. New management, taking advantage of the projects, ladies and gentlemen. This we expect we're going to roll in 2026 with Avino Silver and Gold. We're hanging on to it, ladies and gentlemen. It's going to be a winner. It's a winner now, and we shall see how far it can go. Stocks go up and stocks go down. We do expect a correction. We expect some sideways trading, a little bit of down trading, but ultimately we expect all of these three stocks to go up. There's Avino. Let me show you the next one, which is America's gold and silver. I'm just having a problem with these charts, man. I think it's the Chinese. I blame it on the Chinese. At least that's what it's common. That's what they say. Anyway, let's Come on, Mickey D. Get off that, dude. Anyway, America's Gold and Silver Corporation, ladies and gentlemen, USAS. Yes, it was not very much. It was under 50 cents. This baby was 48 cents not too long ago. It was 2022 when it was in the book, ladies and gentlemen. And we expect it to go much higher. Right now, it's trading a little sideways. It's broken out. We expect it to go much higher in 2026. Ride the wave, ladies and gentlemen. Ride the wave right now. Ride the wave. Uh, Another one of our stocks that we expect to do well with that has done very well, along with Avino and America's Avino Silver and Gold and America's Gold and Silver, is a company that has just oh boy, this brings you back, huh? Everybody's trying to get a hold of Mickey D. Put that thing. He's so unprofessional. Put that thing on rate and all that stuff. Yeah. Anyway, uh, Dolly Varden. Yeah, as you know, Sean over there has done a great job. He'll be the new CEO of Contango Silver and Gold. You know, which has merged here, ladies and gentlemen. This stock was at one time I think it was up to about $7 Canadian there for a while there. So it's done very good, and it's done very well for us, ladies and gentlemen, in the long run. Here in 2026 is going to be a big year for us. Some of these gains, you guys, make sure you set stops on some of these stocks, but they're going much. So if I don't talk to you before the holidays, before Christmas, I want to wish you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. If you get the opportunity, review the Knockout newsletter, which is out. Also, Junior Silver Mining Stocks. Some of the stocks in there are still 25, 30, 40, 50 cents, ladies and gentlemen. So there are 16 stocks in there. Not all of them have gone from that customary 25 cents, 50 cents up to $5 before they graduate and become 5 and 10 and what have you. They're not all there yet, but some will get there. You guys have a wonderful holiday season. Love you and your family. Take care. When you're looking for strength, you're looking for energy, you're looking for guidance, look up, ladies and gentlemen. God bless you. Take care. Now I'll see if it stops. Do I have any Christmas music? Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride on a one-horse open sleigh. Hey!